Okay, I'm gonna have a quick look at old Beauty here. Not been started up for some time, a long time. Actually, you can probably tell. It's a mess. So, got to strap it down because we had some strong winds and some hot weather as well. So, just gonna. I know I shouldn't do this, and I should have a proper cover for it, but right, I'm gonna see if she starts. Not been started, as you can see. Some time. Got a bit of water in the pumps. We got power. I put a isolation switch on this just for the starboard and port lights because we were going to take it out to sea, but we haven't had a chance to do that either. Are they working? So nothing yet. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Both sides. Right, turn that off. We don't need that for the engine to start. Get you back a bit. What we need is turn the engine round, and I've got a bit of a hack as well for you if you're interested. So neutral. Yeah, nice little spider. Go on, mate, off you go. Right, on. Prime it. Right, I'll show you. Can you see that all right? That says it all, doesn't it? Right, hold on. Because we got the wee boy, we're going to lose a lot of water. What I tend to do is in the barrel, and that's what I do. Put an old piece of gutter in from a stand back into the bucket, and it just reuses the water. Okay. Let it warm up. Then I'm going to change the plugs. I've got a couple of new plugs to go on. Slow down in a minute, might stall, we don't know. Love engines, you probably guessed. Four-stroke, 9.9 Mercury. It's absolutely immaculate, except for the hood. And it was like this when I got this. I mean, I've done a few scratches, but just protected from the winter, so I'll give this a coat of paint. I'll get it taken in anyway. Sweet as a nut. Look at that. So what the idea is, give it a quick little bit of a, well, not even a bit of a service, just change the plugs, and I'm going to persuade my lad, we're going to go down the river and see if we can take it for a bit of a spin. But I'll get these plugs done first. What's this, ready? See what I mean? Absolutely immaculate. It's hardly done any work. It needs a bit of a blow actually. It's got a bit of muck inside. So we're going to change these plugs. We're going to have a look at them anyway, at least. Take my hack off. Looking nice. Look at that. There's nothing. I've not touched this. I've not painted it or anything. Absolutely minter. Beautiful engine. It'd be nice for electric start because this thing's kicked me back a few times. Right, find the front plug spanner and I'll get back to you in a sec. This is one of these water bags. Just pull the air out. In here, this is for the Suzuki 4-stroke, and that's for the Merc. Just so I show you what else. Take a knife with me, just ordinary, just for gutting knife, fishing knife, bonking on the head knife. Also, I have a flare gun and flares. This is your pack for your flares in there. Take that out to sea. I have a pair of folding glasses out the way. Spare fuel line connector. A couple of shackles. Screwdriver and some twists, and what was that? Oh, split pins as well. That's for the Suzuki. If the prop hits the deck, it spins, takes the pins out, and then you replace the pins. Nice. So what we're looking for today is spark plug remover. I think it's in here. Oh, that looks like a rather large one. Unless he's giving me the wrong pack. I'll tell you what, just out of curiosity, look inside the Suzuki pack as well. You get a spare rope. It's a bit of a nice kit, isn't it? I haven't looked at this actually. Just move that to one side, I don't want to get them mixed up. You know, I'm going to take that one, I think. I think that's too big. Okay. Alright, we'll take both and have a look. I might be wrong. Mine's too big, won't even fit in. But in my pocket, don't want to lose that. This is off the Suzuki, but it fits perfect. So, just nice and gently. Oops, don't lose it in the bucket of water. Let's get you up. Yeah, okay. Pocket. Right, they've wrapped these up well, haven't they? Can we see the difference? I tell you what, every time these are off eBay, I'm not surprised. Look, they're not even going to fit, nowhere near. Right, I'll have to go back and order the right ones for this one. Brilliant. So, popping back in. I was chuffed anyway, it started beautifully, so I'm not too worried. But I will get some new ones before we go on the water. You're better off putting these back in using the spanner. There we go. Just a quick teak. Not too much. Also with these HT leads, it's pretty straightforward, because if you look top, bottom, so you can't really go wrong. Okay, back in my pocket, let's give it a fire up. Put the cover back on. At least I know now that I'll have to order the new ones. Crack on. That's it. Back using the hack again. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I know I didn't change the plugs, but you can see the idea. I'll get some new ones, and I was showing you the hack anyway, where the water's reached back into the bucket. Alright, take care, catch you next one. subscribe button is over this side, I think, with the notification bell. All the best. To say why it's all apart, I'll just the lid back off again. Get the right one. So this is the 6RCHS NGKR. That's what I want. So I'll look for them and get them. I've just been online now, there's so many. What's that? CR6HS. Right, okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Popping back in, and then I'll go and order it now. I mean, I've just been on eBay again, and it's still not giving me the correct number. That's a different number of what I've just been looking at. So you probably end up with a longer shaft or a thicker thread, which the other one was. Okay, so 4-stroke, 2-cylinder, 9.9 Mercury. Yep, that's what we're looking for, but it still doesn't come up with the right ones, so I'm just going to get that number, pop it in, and then we'll go from there. Cheers.